Discover the new way to dye your hair. The results are incredible. White hair can be a great option that is usually used at a certain age, not for that reason falling into the negligence, since this type of style also requires your hair to look perfect and splendorous. White hair, the best. Take it progressively. I think it's great to be back with your natural color. Shampoos specific for this type of hair are very advisable to treat their shine and prevent the appearance of yellowish hair, especially in the media and tips, although the cut style is short. The hair with gray hair can be tinted any color, platinum blonde, medium brown, reddish. But how to return to your natural color with gray hair? With good preparation, the transition will be a success. Most women react calmly to the appearance of the first gray hair. Just dye the hair the desired color. Passing for example of a medium chestnut with some gray to a hazel radiant tone. But there comes a time when the gray hairs gain ground, the middle chestnut is only a memory, and we must accept a new reality. White roots contrasting with a hazelnut brown hue, for example, are very visible and unattractive. To maintain the color, it is necessary to perform root retouching frequently. The color of the hair is not the only witness of the passage of time. Your features also change, and suddenly the most vivid colors in the hair are not flattering. A hair with gray hairs with a harmonious cut is much more flattering. Although it seems a contradiction, to look younger is sometimes preferable to keep the hair with gray. Your haircut and coloring techniques play an important role during the process of transition to gray hair. The more different your current color is from your natural tone, the more you should reflect on the transition strategy. If you wear light blonde highlights, you can simply let them grow. However, if you are tinged with a dark color, you should choose a lighter transition tone or some wicks. Another option is to cut your hair a lot.